Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how you can set up forwarding for your Gmail account. We have created a master Google account so that all Google details are connected and aggregating into the one system. This means all the metrics that your website, advertising, search engine behavior, Google listing, Google+, YouTube is all coming together and gives you a really good understanding of how your brand and your website and your company is operating online. We send all this information through to a Gmail address. We don't really expect you to be logging into this Gmail account all that often. What we would suggest that you do is that you set up a forwarding rule so that you do get any alerts that Google sends about your brand. We have asked during our WOF registration form for you to indicate whether or not you wanted us to set up forwarding. If you did, well, we will have contacted you during that registration process and gotten the verification code. If you didn't, that is what this tutorial is all about, just to show you how to set up forwarding for your Gmail account. We're currently inside the PFL Online WOF report, and you can scroll down and see that the Gmail address that we're currently using is specific forum line dubdub@gmail, and the password. To access the Google account, you can just click on the blue tab to the right. Once inside of the Google account, you can click on products, and in there you'll see the list of Google products your company currently has, and you can click on to Gmail. And inside of your Gmail account, you will have emails that have come through over the past period that we have set up your account. Most notably, the last email that's come through to the PFL account is the Google account password change, which we did in the previous tutorial lesson for Google account passwords. In order to set up forwarding, you can click on the cog on the right hand side, which is settings, and then click on to settings. Once in the settings tab, you'll need to click on forwarding and pop IMAP, and then you will see that there is already forwarding set up, and that is to Edward, who is the main contact for the Pacific Forum Line company. If you don't have a forwarding set up, you can click on add a forwarding address. And in this case, we're going to add a second person inside of the PFL company so that they are both aware of any changes that occur with Google. You may wish to do this yourself. If you are the director of your company and you want to give access to an admin officer, you can do so in here so that more than one person is being responsible and responsive to any changes with your online brand. If you click on add a forwarding address, you can add that in, and in this case we can quickly just add that in, and then you can click next, and you can confirm that the forwarding will go through to that email address. If you click on proceed, you will see that a confirmation code has been sent to verify permission. You can click OK, and then you can enter the confirmation code in this box here. Now, as I'm not David, I'm going to need to contact him, and this is the process that we go through when we set up forwarding during the Online WOF process. We set up your forwarding and then we contact the client so that we can get the confirmation code. So I'll stop the tutorial now, I'll get that confirmation code, and then I will finish this lesson. Okay, so we have now got that confirmation code from the client, and we will verify that, and it has allowed the verification. And what we have discovered, as Google is prone to do, and this is a great example, I'm glad we're seeing this through a tutorial, you will only actually be able to forward through to one address. I have seen the ability to forward to more than one address in the past, but that must have now changed. So we'll keep with the updated version. If you haven't done your forwarding before, if it has not been set for you, the process that we have just gone through is exactly the same. You set up your address, you get the verification sent through to you, you verify that, and then you can see the emails come through. Just a quick note, you can change the settings here. You can keep a copy in Gmail's inbox, you can mark a copy as read in the inbox, you can archive Gmail's copy, or you can delete the copy that's kept in Gmail. We just keep Gmail's copy in the inbox for ease of use. So aside from that small little hiccup with the multiple forwarding, this tutorial has been a success. You can see how to add a single email address into the Gmail forwarding. You can verify that, and then you can save the change. At the top of the screen, you'll now see that a pink ribbon has appeared showing that the emails are now being forwarded through to David M from PFL. If you have any questions about Gmail forwarding, hopefully we've just answered one of them for you. Otherwise, you can go to our Facebook page, that's facebook.com/webwonks, and leave us a message. Hopefully we'll be able to get back to you with a tutorial very promptly. Otherwise, thanks for watching.